Hello, so it's currently like 7:15. We're leaving for the airport in about 15 minutes and we are going to Greece. Actually, I'll take you along with me. Enjoy! Hello. We've been standing and waiting in line for like the past 20 minutes. We're in the plane. Hotel. Ove negdje naš hotel, da?
Nije, ne vidi se. Veliki je naš hotel. Kad ti kažem za glava ljudi. Malo je onako, znaš.
Dok ljudi plivaju. Dok ljudi plivaju, ono.
Ja ti zato kažem.
Wow.
Nisam htjela to da vam kažem.
Baš je bilo cool.
Da.
Opa. This is my mom, everyone.
Yeah, welcome to the Greece.
Ja ću biti vaš domaćin na ovom čarobnom ostrvu. Nadam se da je lep i ugodan, da ste primetili da je sletanje bilo prilično uzbudljivo s obzirom da ste sletili na drugu najkraću pistu na svetu po nekim podacima, što je onako priličan doživljaj, kažu da najiskusniji. Whoops. The red light district. I'm alone in a room, so we got a room and it's nice. I'm gonna eat now because I'm starved. I mean, I don't have that much to eat, but I do have this. I got this in Cyprus. It's this salted caramel popcorn, and I really want to try it. It's a bit smushed, but it should be fine. It smells really good. Okay. Wow, that's really good. Also, I really want to go and get coffee because coffee in Greece, nothing can top that. Especially their iced coffees are incredible. So I just cannot wait for coffee. And food because gyros is my favorite food ever, I think. And I don't eat it at home that much. because then when I go to Greece, I eat it all the time because it's like nothing can top the way it is in Greece. So. Hajde, Ceca.
Ali ja ne znam, nemoj mi
Ti imaš da kažeš.
Čekaj. Sad ću ja da kažem na srpskom.
Ajde, pa ću stavim one prevod.
Ćao Marisol.
Dobro.
Evo uživamo.
Aha.
Pijem normalni kapućino i živela ti meni na skiatosu. Znači to je ta pita.
We got a skiathos cheese pie. Yay. Greek salad. Idemo, and starters. Yes, I'm about to start reading this, and I've heard really good things about it, and I'm really excited to read it. I heard it's really sad though, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm very excited though. Like I bought it like 2 months ago, so it's just been sitting there. But I'm so excited because I love romance books like these. Like I know I'm gonna like this. So I'm gonna let you know how it goes. Like I'm gonna keep you updated. Also, Greek Fanta. Best.
Hi vlog.
What do you want to say?
Hi vlog. Maria's vlog is the best. Watch the Maria vlog all the time. And subscribe out there. Please, please. Love you.
We're going to dinner. Are you ready? Myself a Sprite because the cocktails are 11 euros and I'm not paying that much. So I'm just gonna drink my Sprite. There's music. My tea. Thank you. No problem. I'm alone because my mom left me. I'm literally so excited. This is, if anyone knows me, they know that this movie is my whole life. So I'm so excited. Hello. It's 9 a.m. and I'll be up because like the breakfast is until 10:30 and like we want to go to the beach and stuff, because at 5 we're going to the city. But the beaches are like down, so we're like up on a hill or whatever, mountain, cliff, I don't know what it's called. And then there's these stairs that you can take that literally lead you down to the beach and up again, but there's a lot of stairs. I'm gonna get up in about 15 minutes. I got a breakfast. Oh, I'm so tired. So I'm ready for breakfast. It's like 9:10, I think. 9:15, I don't know. The Wi-Fi here is really bad, so I can use, like, it works, but like in certain areas it's weird. I don't know. But nevertheless, we're gonna go
I'm back in my room for just a bit because I want to pack my beach bag. I'm going to show you what I bring in my beach bag. Anyway, this is my beach bag. Yes. Actually, I don't know when I bought it, but it's pretty old. I remember when I had it with me like 3 years ago at the beach. I change my beach bag all the time, depending on the swimsuits and the shoes. So right now, my like beach slippers are these. So it goes. Everything matches. I bought these, which is really cute. And I like it because it has a thing. One of these inside. The first thing I obviously bring is my book, which just goes on the side. And then I bring my mask, which is also on the side. But this one, we don't wear masks here, which is weird. Then, just this little like, cash. My pads, I bring this because I love wearing these. My AirPods. My what is it called? But this like goes on the side. So this and the book goes on the side. Everything else is like inside the zipper. I used to bring my phone. My sunglasses, I have them on my head. My mom brings the sunscreen. I don't bring that. I'm very low maintenance when it comes to beach. Like all I need is a book. I just read. I love reading on the beach. Like I didn't read that much yesterday. I only read like 50 pages of my book. So I'm gonna continue reading today. But today we're going to the actual beach. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna be there for a while. Because yesterday we were at the pool for a while. So I feel like now I'll actually be at the beach. Whoa. Hello. It's a sandy beach. I love it. I'm gonna read it. Tato. Da. Tá. Tu não me queres? Alô? Não. What a bad day! Yes, it is. I decided to go look for a bathroom. I saw a sign that says there's a bathroom like 200 meters away, but it's like back in the hotel. Oh, ooh, sketchy. Wait. Let's see. I feel like it's gonna lead me back to the hotel, which probably will. So, but if it does, then this is good because it's like upstairs. So maybe it's better. Look at this view though. It's really hot right now, so I really think the best time to do this. Look, I need to find a bathroom. And it doesn't look like there's one, which is not very good. Okay, let's see where we are. No camping. Oh yeah, okay, so basically just go back to the hotel. That's a bit annoying. Okay, well, I'm not doing that. At least now I know there's a way to go back with no stairs.
Whoa. Oh my god. This is, ow, very hard. But the view is worth it. It's 1:30 and we were gonna go eat lunch at the beach bar. It's very full and very busy. So that's fun. Let's see. That was low-key quite difficult. I'm Dora the Explorer. Oh my god. Look at him. Night 2. Very Mamma Mia vibes. Whoops. No tako. Treba da prepoznam. We're trying to find the port where they filmed the scene where the three dads meet at the port. Mamma Mia, wait. Yes, so the scene. Oh, maybe Ilova, maybe. Nah. Yeah, we're looking for the. Because apparently that scene is filmed here, where the three dads meet. This is apparently a very popular place. Ice cream. I'm gonna get one of these. Apparently, like, this is where you have to go if you're here. It's called Peggio. They're nice. Yeah, for me, the grande as well. The cornetto, yeah. Okay, with choco caramel. Caramel?
And we have two bottles.
American cookies. Double chocolate. And cream. And the two waters, yeah. You saw that? Yeah.
Adesso non devo fare,
Oh my god,
Dobar. Sve co.
wow.
Ovo je nekad bilo brokoli isti ovakav. I on je grk neki. Grk.
Što kažeš na sladoled? What do you say? Što kažeš?
Excellent.
Really? Where's the light?
Maria's vlog. Dobar. Every day.
Name every day. I don't have vlogs every day. Bye. Kako ste mi shvatili, tako? Wow, ekstra.
Ali ima da se ide onako. Da. On je jednom prišao polju.
It's gorgeous.
Marija, to je to.
Mislim da je ovo to. Ovo ili ovo? Ovo?
Da, nešto tada je to.
Ali ovo nije što je ovo neka statue, weird. Mada to je mnogo stari film, tako da možda se promenilo među vremenu.
Možda je tamo.
Ali svi su rekli da je na Old Portu. Ovo je jedino što je ovako
Pa dobro,
izgleda.
evo i tamo je taj port.
Hoće da me slikaš?
Hoće samo kaži gdje ćeš. Pa po tebe šta ćeš.
I think this might be it, but again, I might be wrong. I can't find it on Google anywhere. Što ima ovdje?
Prođimo ovdje malo pa.
Yeah. Kako lep fit.
Dođi ovdje.
Što? Ne, vuda.
Ne, dođi ovdje. Eno vidiš tamo.
Ima klupice, vidi.
Aha.
Sad je koći.
Kod ove Jasmine.
Yeah. Kako je lepo ovdje. Inače.
Sala sam Vera, ali kajs. Vidim kako je na vidu.
Kako sam posrnula, vidi. Ma stavi puzzando već?
Jaši bre.
Negdje, ma sad ćemo se negdje zavući. Biće možda još neka na levo tamo.
So I found this really nice bench. So I'm just vibing. Having a main character moment, sitting here, you know, being all, you know, pretty and like, I'm like, you know, posing and shit in case, I don't know, some guy comes up to me and is like, you know, something happens between us, you know, just having one of those moments. I'm just like vibing here, just like waiting for my soulmate to show up in Greece, and then 2 others, and then I get pregnant and I don't know who that is, and open up a hotel, and then my daughter, the age 21, the age 20, she invites all 3 dads to her wedding. That's what I want to happen every time I come to Greece, and guess what? Never happens. Also, I really want to rent one of those like 4-wheeled motorcycle thingies. They look so cool and I really want to drive one of them. They're really popular in like the Greek islands, especially here. Like everyone drives it and I think they're so cool and I really want to drive them one day.
Ali zato što je mlad.
Hello, I'm in the bathroom because I like the lighting here. It's very nice actually. But I wanted to say that I'm gonna end this vlog here. This is only one part of the whole Greece vlog. It's gonna have like at least 3 parts, I'm assuming, because it's gonna be such a fun 12 days and like I've been filming a lot and there's so much to film here, and especially the thing we're doing tomorrow is gonna be just one vlog by itself because it's gonna be so much fun. Like it's literally my dream come true. Like you will see what I mean tomorrow. I won't spoil it, so you have to wait and see. But I'm really excited for tomorrow. So this is it for this vlog, part 1 out of 3, maybe 4, we shall see. Hope you enjoy.